and all. Today I am going to explain you about marine benthic zone. Benthic is a term derived from Greek which means the depth of the sea. We can see here. Benthic zone. Definition of benthic zone is a benthic zone is a ecological region at the lowest level of any water body. Benthic zone, it varies from the substrate to the bottom of the sea level, and it also plays a major important role in the aquatic ecosystem, and the microbes living here works as a good source of food for the bottom feeding animals. And also there are three species which lives in the benthic zone and indicates the water quality. They are caddisfly, mayflies and stoneflies. And next we'll go to the characteristics of the benthic zone. Here we can find the temperature, pressure, light, chemical environment. Temperature varies according to the depth of the benthic zone, and most probably we can find here 2 to 3 degrees of temperature. There is a very few organisms can survive here. Those organisms who are surviving here have low rate of movement. Next, pressure. Pressure at the shallow level is the very low pressure, and whereas at bottom we can find the high pressure. High At the bottom, due to the high pressure, the organisms are very larger in size. This size is because of they find here more dissolved oxygen, so the size of the organisms are very large. And the light also varies from the depth according to the depth of the benthic zone. Here between the 250 to 1000 meters, the light disappears quickly, so it is called as dysphatic zone. And the chemical environment, here the decaying matter of here rich in nutrients which helpful for organisms living here. And we can find here the very huge number of organisms. Generally, organisms which are living in benthic zone is called as the benthons. Here we can find two types of the communities, that is infauna and epifauna. As we know, in the organisms which are living in the depth is called as infauna, and the upward is called as epifauna. And the example